watches your videos on your channel right now. We'll put on the main. We'll see. Maybe we'll collaborate. You do the. I'll do the first half. You do the second half. Pink one. Oh. Stop! Thank you. That spider is gonna get me if that button hits me again. Jump! I jumped. My back, it's sticking in the back of the chair. My armpits are dripping! There we go. Oh man, it's hot. You gotta turn on the fan. I'm suffering. Woo! Oh, look at that, we're in the green! I don't like those slug things, man. They just take away my joy. I don't feel at peace when I run into those. Ruining my mood! Oh! There's negative things happening in my body. My mood! Alright. Oh! I should have jumped there. Oh no, I think I just farted. It's gonna... Oh! I hope that didn't get on the recording. Could you imagine if they could smell like the recording? Oh gosh, here. Turn on the fan! Oh gosh, hold on, man. Here, you play for a bit, okay? Take over. The window is open? What the heck is happening? This heat is coming from my passions. Alright. Hey, how many stages are on this game, man? This is pretty... I don't remember ever passing this many stages. Spike! Eggman! What? Okay, wait. It's not funny. My ring. I got a ring. Is anything happening? Ring! Oh yeah, he's going down. He's going down, boy. My ring! It's gone. Oh, I don't want to do this again. Wipe the tears away. Alright, get some more rings. Oh, is he super far? Oh! Just a whiner today, man. Oh, my eyeballs. Oh, what was that? Oh! You like that sound? Oh, good. The treadmill's not on now. What are you laughing about? I don't understand the controls. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, he's going down. I got the controls down. Oh crap. Oh. Bring it. Ah, can't win them all. That should still lower them, right? What? Down you go, boy. Oh, he's peeing himself. He's going potty in his pants. Gonna rip your mustache off and slap you with it. Come on, get out of my way! Slap that guy. Oh, more flowers. See, we're planting flowers. We're doing it's for a good cause.